Hello, I am Sriranga Bapat from Bapat Classes. In this video, I will explain basic concepts of similarity with some examples. Two triangles are similar when for one-to-one correspondence of their vertices, corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are congruent. Now to understand similarity, we will consider some examples where we can use the concept of similarity. In the first example, we will estimate height of the pyramid. Stand at a distance of 100 meters in front of the pyramid. Now observe top of the pyramid. Let AB be the height of the pyramid and C be the position of the observer. Next, measure angle formed by line of vision CA with segment AB. Here, angle ACB is equal to 39 degrees. Now construct small triangle PQR with suitable scale, say 10 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. Construct RQ 10 centimeter. Draw ray perpendicular to QR at Q. Draw ray forming 39-degree angle at R intersecting perpendicular at P. Measure length PQ. Here PQ is equal to 8.4 centimeters, and as sides of triangle ABC and PQR are proportional and the scale is 10 meter is equal to 1 centimeter, height of the pyramid is 84 meters. Here triangle PQR and ABC are similar. Architects use the concept of similarity while making the floor plans by considering some suitable scale. This scaled figure is similar to the actual construction. That is, lengths of the walls are proportional and angles between adjacent walls are congruent. If the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter and the length of some wall in the plan is 2 centimeters, then the length of corresponding wall in the final construction will be 2 meters. But if angle between two walls in the plan is 150 degree, then the angle between corresponding walls in the final construction will be same as plan, that is 150 degrees. By using concept of similarity, we can estimate distance between two cities on the map. Consider three cities, Pune, Nagpur and Delhi on the map. Join PN, PD and ND. Measure length PN and PD. Here, PN is equal to 4.4 centimeters and PD is equal to 8.2 centimeters. And the scale factor is 1 centimeter is equal to 160 kilometers. As the scale factor is 1 centimeter is equal to 160 kilometers and distance PN on map is 4.4 centimeters, distance between two cities, Pune and Nagpur, is 4.4 into 160, that is 704 kilometers. Similarly, on map, distance PD is equal to 8.2 centimeters and the scale factor is 1 centimeter is equal to 160 kilometers, and therefore distance between Pune and Delhi is 8.4 into 160, that is 1312 kilometers. Here triangle PND and triangle obtained by joining actual cities Pune, Nagpur and Delhi are similar. Congruent figures exactly fit with each other, but similar figures don't. If smaller figure is stretched by locking its aspect ratio, then the two similar figures fit with each other. Therefore, we can watch same TV channel on different TV sets of different sizes and same aspect ratio. Proportionate enlargement and reduction is the common example of similarity. When we increase or decrease the font size in the documents, then the corresponding sides of letters are proportional and corresponding angles are congruent. On jumbo photocopier, when we take copy of large size document on small paper, then the printed copy is always similar to the original document. Now consider one more example of similarity. We use convex lens to observe small objects. Image produced by convex lens is proportional, that is, image is similar to the object.